Hey everyone, welcome to Craft Happy, a space where I share my journey with 3D printing and how I turned a fun side hobby with props like these into a rewarding side hustle. Follow along with me, and if you got any questions, let me know. This week I've been working on getting these prints ready for my next event. I think they're going to be a hit. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alrighty, so we now have these little Springer Spaniels all finished up. They're looking super nice. All of those look great, no failures. So we'll get these popped off. These are also from Artflex. We've also got finished down here some little turtles, and then also did a few of these little flexi frogs. Most of these turtles will be keychains. And we have a cat. Say hello, Bandit. Alright, so next up we have these Highland cows that are finished. These are also from Artflex. These look really good. There was one that broke off on the back, so you'll see some little stringiness on this one. But I think I've had an extra head on there, so we'll see. If not, I can always print some more. Alright, so next off the plate we've got these little foxes from MacGyver. Needed to restock these for my next event. Alrighty, last but not least we have the German Shepherds from Artflex. So those turned out really nicely. So we'll get those off and all ready to go. In this channel I'll show you some of the ups and downs of running a 3D printing side business with the focus on in-person events, some designing of my own products, and kind of what that process looks like for me. I'm no master designer, but it's a lot of fun and I'm getting better each day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.